This is Roshan Kumar Sabat. Hope you all are well. Like our previous video, we back again with our new video focusing on the various versions of Microsoft Office and the prices of Microsoft Office. Let's start the second session of this. Keep watching this video. Before moving forward, please click the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get the notification of our latest updates. Now, the Saurabh will tell you about the versions and the price of Microsoft Office. Over to you, Saurabh.
Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning about the various versions of MS Office, mainly MS Word and MS Excel. So it's a really tough task to get all these photos of various versions which actually started in 1894. So I would like to thank Version Museum. I'm sharing the screen right now, I guess. Yeah. So they have actually everything at one place. They have started from 1983 till 2009. The next year they again launched with 3.0 version. Not any major changes you can see in these versions. Just slight the color codes or even very small features were added. For Mac, it was launched in 1897 again after 1 year of launching for MS DOS. Next, we see for Xenix. Then again, 5.0 was launched in 1989. Uh, and then we can see here a lot of new things added in this one, 5.0 version of MS Word. So there was paging, like you can read it as a book, page one and page two. You can see here, this is how it looked like. It was the splash screen version. They have added the ruler thing here, status bar, ribbon. Now you can see lot, like 10 times more versions added. And the UI UX is really good also right now. And next 4.0 was in 1990. I'll take to the important versions. Yeah. So from 5, they started 5.1 version with a slightly change in the designing aspect of it. After 3 years, they launched with 6.0. Here you can see slightly resemblance of the uh, design that we can see right now. Then they launched for Mac after 2 years. Now it came Word 95 in 1995. So here again, it was a version 7. They call it 95 version. So you can see again some extra things were added here, and the UI modifications were done again. Then we can see 98. This was for Macintosh version. Various pages can be added, and the word art also started from this 1998 version, where you can actually modify it and can also use making the posters and stuff. Now coming 2000 version of Microsoft Office. This was properly, you can see they have minimized it. All those unnecessary things were actually put up in very small things, like the 3 layers of it. Now you can see only one layer, and they have adjusted everything here. Then it was 2002 version. This was not so much famous. Coming up next with 2003 version. Yeah. So now the complete revolution came in 2003. In 2003, they have launched multiple different version of it. Like they launched a small business version of it, a personal edition of it. So you can see the color things came in, and they also supported this support options. Like you can also take help from the pages available online, and they will also assist you with that. You can add up various images and you can play around with it. 2004 for Mac, it wasn't so famous. Next, as you all know, it's 2007. This was also a really successful version till now. Also in Windows 10, users are also using the 2007 version of Word. So Everything came in this thing, and all the features you see, all the basic part of Windows 2016, 19, everything can be found in 2007 except the version compatibility thing. Next, it's 2010 version, which was launched in 2010 itself. So here, a lot of shapes, images, icons were introduced in this version, and also you can change the designing aspect of it. 2011, this was a failed version as well. Next coming 2013 version. This is also similar, not much changes except a couple of new templates were added into Microsoft Office here, and it was more clean UI. They also had a lot of professional versions, standard edition. They have professional edition for the people working in corporates. A lot of templates were introduced here so that you can just rightly work, dive into it. 2016 version, here a lot of changes were added. Like you can see, a number of things were done here. You can use to make number of templates. You can make your CV here. Everything was done. um, Next was 2019 version. So here, it's the the latest version available. Also, they have a Office 365 version, which is mainly used for official purposes. They also have an online version like 365. You can use it online also. You can have the offline version as well. I'll be telling the pricing factor after this. So in this 2016, 19, they have a lot of versions added, like starting from the standard edition, they have the professional edition, student edition, and all these were priced. And the pricing I'll be telling you just afterwards.
Watching this video, please click on the like button and subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of our latest update.